You done called me 2 days straight. Do not call me again. Do not call me again.
My home is not for sale, so do not call my number again.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to make a live call session. And this is basically what you're going to be telling people when you call them up. It's not an exact or the very best call session. I'm pretty sure that I'm going to mess up and make some mistakes. But I'm going to make some phone calls and see if something pans out. Let's see if we can get a hold of somebody and, see what they say.
Please enter your PIN number. You are now logged into the Mojo dialer. Please press the start button on your screen to begin calling.
Alright, just in case you're wondering, I am using Mojo. This is my preferred dialer. I'm pretty sure there's a bunch of dialers out there, but this is my number one go-to. I love Mojo. I use them as a CRM. And for my dialing sessions, they're the best by far. It's worth every penny. I know people are going to complain and say it's too expensive, but when you're trying to contact as many people as we are, we want to use the best that we can use or afford at the time. So let's wait for a phone call.
Call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system.
The cool thing about Mojo is that when you are making phone calls, if you get somebody's voicemail system, you can go ahead and just, click a button and it'll automatically drop a voicemail. That way you don't have to sit there wasting time leaving one. I have pre-recorded voicemails just saying something basic like, hey, my name is Dan, I'm interested in buying a property that you own. Please give me a call back. And I put my phone number and that's it. Now during times like these where you're gonna have long periods of basically you're just waiting for a phone call, plan something, type something up. I write my SEO articles sometimes while I'm calling, or I'll plan my Instagram posts. I'll do something that's gonna occupy that free time that isn't gonna interrupt what I'm doing. It is also best if you have a computer or multiple screens because that would help out greatly.
Hello?
Hey, sorry to bother you. I'm trying to buy a property. Would you happen to be the owner?
It's not for sale.
Okay, completely understand that. Would you happen to have any other properties that you might be interested in selling?
Nope, not right offhand.
Alright, bud. Well, greatly appreciate your time. Thank you so much.
Alright.
He was clearly not interested in selling. Just asked him a couple questions. He automatically said it wasn't for sale. I asked him if he might have any other properties that he might be interested in selling. He told me he wasn't. Just scratch him off the list. Go from there. Don't get married to your leads. Trust me, it's not worth it. Because you're going to be wasting your time trying to convince this guy to sell when he's not really a motivated seller. Hey, sorry to bother you. Yes, I'm trying to buy a vacant land. Would you happen to be the owner?
Yes, I am. Uh-huh.
Hi, well, I was just wondering if you had any interest in selling that property.
Yes, I'm interested in selling it, and I was gonna.
All right. Do you have an idea on what you would want to get for it?
I've been thinking about that for the longest, and so I haven't really come up with a amount yet. But I will. I am coming up with amount, and I will let you know. I will let her know and have her to call you right away, okay?
Okay, how about this? I'm gonna look up the property and see what we could use it for. Because some properties they're able to build like duplexes or just a regular single family home. And I'm gonna see what they're going for in the area. And how about I call you back with an offer today? It'll be a cash offer. You won't have to pay any closing costs, no realtor fees or anything like that. The price that I give you is exactly what you'd walk away with.
Okay, all right then. I'll look to hear from you later on, okay?
All right, well, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
Bye-bye. So there you have it. It's been exactly 16 minutes. I called, it says here I called 5 numbers. I think I called a little bit more than that. But this lady is interested in selling. It's a vacant property in Charlotte. She has expressed some interest in selling. I don't know what I can offer her for it. I'm just actually gonna look it up and see what it could be zoned for or what it is zoned for. That way we can give her an accurate offer. I'm not gonna give her something ridiculous that she can't do anything with, but I'm gonna make sure that I can give her an offer that you know, she's going to be happy with. And if she's happy with it, she'll go with me. If not, she won't. But it's all a hit or miss. You just got to make as many offers, talk to as many people as possible, and see what you can come up with. Now, if you're only talking or calling like 10 people and you're expecting a deal to come out of that, you're wasting your time. You're absolutely wasting your time. You're going to get married to those 10 people and you're going to be like, oh, please, please, please sell to me, and they're not going to sell to you. You need to call 100 people. Call 100 people a day. Call 50 people a day. Call 100 people a week. Keep calling until you can't call anymore, until they tell you, please leave me alone. And if nobody picks up, call a new list. Keep calling. Keep calling. I'm going to tell you right now what this session has, or what I have total leads. My lead base didn't start increasing until I started buying lists, or I started creating these lists. So as of June 2019, we have 3,956 leads in the system. That's including our follow-ups. That's including lists that we haven't even called yet. We have a total of 3,956 contacts. That's how many people you should be calling. So if you divide that up, let's see what that divides up into on a monthly basis, on how many people you should be contacting. We get about 1 to 2 leads per month that are truly interested in selling. So closing the one to 4 deals on a monthly basis, you need to call 659 people a month consistently, every single day, every single week. Never waver from it. That's how you're going to be able to get deals, consistently close deals, and just get the ball rolling for yourself. Because if you're going to be out here only giving 10 people an offer, you can just forget about it. You're not going to get anything that's going to stick. Get out there, make as many phone calls, make as many offers, send as many letters as you can, put out as many bandit signs as you can, and get as many leads as you can. Because this game is all about numbers. It's a numbers game. You know, the more people you contact, the more offers you get, the more likely you are to close something. When I first started, I literally only would get 1 or 2 leads a month that were really hot, and I ended up closing 1 4 months later. I actually ended up closing, out of those bandit sign leads, another one closed maybe 3 months after that one. So don't think the leads that are coming in are the leads that you're just going to abandon. Keep following up with them. Even if they don't pick up, keep calling them. Keep calling them and keep calling them. The last deal that I just wholesaled, it was something similar to that. We kept calling this guy and calling him, following up with him. He wouldn't pick up. Kept calling him, following up, following up. Finally, he picked up the phone and said, hey, yeah, come on over. Let's do this appointment. And boom, we were able to sell the property within 17 days. He was happy. We were happy, obviously. And we got it done. We got the deals done. It goes to tell you that this is a numbers game. The more phone calls you make, the more likely you are to succeed. So get on the phone, make as many phone calls as you can. If you're sending mail, send as many letters as you can, and just keep sending. Don't stop. Keep sending. I've called this lady before. She never picked up, but now we got something to work with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. If you're watching this on YouTube, give me a like and subscribe. If you're watching this on Instagram, shoot me a like as well. Share this video with somebody that might benefit from it. This is not, the cold calling script of the year, but it definitely is a great starting point. It's been something that's been successful for me. I'm continually closing deals, even though my script may not be the best. I try to be as honest and as personable as possible and building rapport with my clients. So take it easy, guys. I hope you guys are closing some deals, and have a great day.